Breaking news from Southeast Asia. A powerful earthquake has struck the central Philippines, sending shockwaves across the Visayan Islands and leaving a trail of destruction. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, the magnitude 6.9 quake struck just before 10 p.m. local time on September 30th. The epicenter was recorded off the coast of Bogo City in Cebu Province, at a shallow depth of only 10 kilometers, making the tremor especially destructive. Authorities report at least 31 people killed and dozens injured, as homes, churches, and local landmarks collapsed. In the town of Medellin, families were trapped inside their homes as concrete walls gave way in the middle of the night. In nearby San Remigio, a historic seaside church partly crumbled, a reminder of how fragile centuries-old structures are against nature's force. Videos posted online show terrified residents fleeing into the streets, some barefoot, clutching children, as aftershocks rattled the region more than 40 times through the night. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology issued a tsunami advisory for coastal provinces, urging people to move inland. Although the warning was later lifted, the fear of giant waves added to the chaos. Beyond the human toll, this earthquake is already becoming a political test for the government. Just days ago, the Philippines was still recovering from back-to-back typhoons. Now, critics are asking, is the state prepared for disasters in a country that sits on the Pacific's ring of fire? Tonight, more than 500,000 people remain on edge, sleeping in open fields, fearful of more tremors. The Philippines, a nation all too familiar with natural disasters, once again faces the painful question: how many more lives must be lost before stronger protections are put in place?